Ultramobile is a nationwide wireless prepaid services carrier, and we offer services that include calling, texting, data, and international calling at really affordable prices. I joined in July of 2013, and there really wasn't anybody to provide reporting services. It was more of like a lather, rinse, repeat process, dumping it to Excel, and then manually shipping it off to the end users who are requesting the information. Since then, what we've done is we've been able to leverage both the Denodo data virtualization platform in addition to Looker to then streamline that entire process. Rather than having an analyst or multiple analysts who may have inconsistent code, we've been able to take these disparate data sources that exist across multiple database environments and federate that data at the data virtualization layer via Denodo. On top of that, we've got Looker, which then Denodo feeds data into. But not only do we have our senior leadership, our executives tapping into Looker, we have sales, we have finance, we have marketing, essentially every department within the organization, inclusive of our care operations team. Everyone across the organization is utilizing Looker to extract the data that they need and to delve deeper into that data as well. Having the ability to leverage Looker, not just at an analyst level, but to spread that type of curiosity and willingness to dive into the data to derive those insights is something that has been enabled by our leveraging of both Denodo and Looker.